Search for ways to make money online, and you'll be buried in promises of instant wealth that lead to expensive courses and burnout. But today, we are tracking a different kind of path, a verified 90-day success story with the exact numbers laid bare. This journey starts with a user named RemarkableJunket18. They posted a transparent breakdown on the Honest Side Hustle subreddit, detailing exactly how they built a profitable newsletter from scratch. In late January of 2026, they launched Wi-Fi Moola on the Beehive platform. The premise was straightforward: write about vetted side hustles that actually work, testing the waters of digital publishing. Choosing a text-based, low-overhead digital product is a deliberate strategy. It forces a creator to focus on consistent value and audience building, filtering out the crowd looking for a quick payout. Month 1 sets a harsh baseline. By the end of January, the newsletter brought in exactly $67 in revenue. This chart illustrates the immediate friction of starting up. $67 in revenue sits next to the required $69 monthly platform subscription. Do the math, and the first month closes with a negative $2 profit margin. Almost every legitimate digital business starts in the red. Pushing through this initial deficit, when the work far outweighs the reward, is the primary psychological filter that determines who survives to see a second month. Moving into February 2026, the creator maintained a steady output, writing and publishing a couple of newsletter issues per week. That consistency activated new revenue streams. They generated $390 from Beehive's internal ad network and pulled in another $18 from outside ads via Sender Circle. This waterfall chart breaks down where that $408 gross revenue went. It's chipped away by $199 in expenses, the $69 subscription, $100 on platform boosts, and $30 for tools. After subtracting overhead, February lands on a net profit of $208. $200 isn't enough to quit a day job, but it serves a much more important purpose. It's mathematical proof that the unit economics of an ad-driven newsletter actually function. March of 2026 marks a strategic shift. Instead of just guessing what to write, the creator analyzed their own data to identify exactly which topics and formats were driving the highest engagement. Once they found what worked, they doubled down. The publishing schedule shifted from a couple of times a week to an aggressive daily output. This line graph plots total revenue across 3 months. Daily publishing triggers a massive upward curve, generating roughly $2,000 in revenue from ads and boosts. Meanwhile, expenses remained relatively flat, hovering at $200, which included a new second newsletter subscription and miscellaneous tools. That second subscription funded a new spin-off project, a newsletter called The Layman's AI, designed to break down artificial intelligence for small business owners. And before writing a single issue, the creator secured a $70 a month sponsorship for it. They pitched the brand on their existing track record and locked in revenue with absolutely 0 subscribers. Scaling a project like this does not come from blind effort. Instead, it requires identifying a small, measurable success and then pouring disproportionate energy directly into that proven lever. When the creator first launched in January, their stated goal was to reach $2,000 a month in revenue by the end of the year. Instead, the aggressive push in March propelled them to roughly $1,800 in net profit in just 90 days. That compressed timeline relies on 3 specific actions: diligently tracking performance data, leaning on built-in platform tools, and multiplying your daily output. A newsletter operates exactly like a scalable digital product. Once the baseline monetization model functions, driving exponential growth simply becomes a matter of compounding that focused effort over time. If you want to dig deeper into strategies like this, visit HustleGrower.com, hit subscribe for more numbers-backed breakdowns, and drop a comment below letting us know what specific newsletter niche you would start today.